Okay, so this is continuing with the piece Hammer Blow from the Grade 4 Rock School syllabus. And what we're going to look at today is two parts. So it actually starts at the end of the first page, so section C here. And for this bit you're moving on to the ride cymbal and doing a couple of fills here for the first two bars. So we're going to look at these two bars, and then we're going to look at the end of section C, which is on the second page. It's this fill here. And just go over those, see if you can get those for next time. So I'll start off with section C, and this is the two bars there. So I'll just do it slowly first, and watch out for the rhythm. You've got dotted bass drum rhythms. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's split those two bars up. The first bar goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do that until you're happy with it, making sure you've got that bit in there. And then practice that a few times a little bit faster. The second bar, this bit has got a lot of bass and snare syncopation in it, or offbeat notes. So we're starting with a crash again on the second bar of C, and we're doing the same bass drum pattern for the first beat. So it goes like that. We're going to finish off that first bit now, so okay, it's nothing too bad there. Now comes the last two beats, the second half of this second bar of C. So we need together with the snare, and you might recognise that fill there from when you did it at the top. The last bit is actually the same here. So the second half, make sure you're going, and the left stick comes up to the middle tom. Let's play those two bars together again, and then you can practice that bit. So this is from C. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Just pause the video there and practice that first, and then you'll be ready for the second half after that. Okay, so the second half now, we need to find the DS Al coda. I'll just show you that on the part. So it's the second page, and it's here, okay, the DS Al coda, there you go, you can see it written. So we're going to go from two bars before, and this is a great fill to learn here, okay. So it starts with hands together, so you're going to do snare and crash. And then we're going around the toms between the floor tom and the high tom. So that's that first bar. Now, what you can do is leave out the bass drum to begin with. So we just get this pattern with the hands. It goes 1, 2, 3, and. And let's do that again. And then what I'm doing is filling in the bass drum on the semiquavers where we don't have a snare or one of the toms. So let's add that in now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is your first bar to just have a practice off. I'll do it a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So it's all about controlling that bass drum, getting it in the gap in the right place. So remember, do it slowly first. Just do the hands first of all. So your left hand going up to that high tom. Once you've done that, you can have a look at the second bar, which starts almost the same. So you've just got a snare. Do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you're happy with that, you can join those two together. So this is the last two bars before the Diastole coda. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So just practice that first and see how you get on with that.